Hi and welcome. Today we're making stuffed pepper, the Tunisian style. We're gonna start with the meat, ground meat. So we put the oil in there, and we're gonna cook the meat first. This is very easy and simple recipe and very delicious. Should just make sure keep pressing on the meat so it doesn't stay in one piece. This is like a half an onion. You can put, if you have it small, you can put the whole onion, one onion. Keep mixing. This is salt. I added salt. Black pepper. That's a coriander powder. Coriander powder, you can find it anywhere. In the supermarket, the Indian store, anywhere you can find coriander powder. It's like a small teaspoon of that. So we're just gonna keep mixing, make sure all the meat and the onion, they're gonna cook together. Now we added the parsley, probably like a half a cup or a cup. A cup is good. Parsley, because it's gonna mix with the meat. It's gonna be less than a cup, so probably it's like half a cup. So we're just gonna continue like that, cooking until everything mixed together. Like the meat will be cooked, the onion will be like less, it's not crunchy no more, and then the parsley will be all mixed together. And then after that, we're just gonna let it cool, and then make sure before you turn off the heat, you have no water no more, so all the water is gone, like been observed. And then after that, let it cool, and then we're just gonna add 1 egg. If it's a large egg, you just put 1 egg. If it's small, just put 2. And you're gonna add some Parmesan cheese, and that's it. Mix them all together, and we're gonna stuff the pepper. So over here I did it. Sorry I didn't get to record it. So I did cut the pepper in half, and I took the inside out, and I did stuff the pepper with the meat, and I added 1 egg and stuffed them. Now when you stuff the pepper, you just coat the bottom with some flour to make sure just to hold the meat. And then when you fry them, you just put them like that, standing first for a few seconds, and then you put them down. Be careful because it can splash. So you're just gonna fry them like that until you can tell that it's cooked. They're not green no more. They will turn like a little you can tell from the picture that it's cooked. And don't forget, we're just frying the pepper, so the meat is already cooked. So this is just the pepper. Like you see, it's very easy. Sorry I didn't get to record the other part, but it's very easy. I hope you will try it, and if you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next video. Bye bye.